There's a few details that we did here on this foundation that I wanted to show you. Detail 1, we added this recess in the slab in order to recess the threshold of the large multi-panel door or slider that we're going to have exiting here to the outside. The second really nice detail is the recess that we put in these showers. The tile will flow really nice and smoothly into the linear shower drain. Third detail is these auxiliary drains in the laundry room. Our pan for a dishwasher, which we'll make, will go there, as well as a pan for the washer and dryer. If any of them ever have a leak, there's that emergency relief, and that exits right out the back. Detail 4 is adding additional conduits that exit the building. That way, the walls can stay nice and clean.